Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And today I'm going to be doing an analysis on ARK. And I've been holding ARK for a pretty long time. I believe in the long term, and I mostly hold it right now for staking benefits as we are in a recession. Everything is on lockdown in New York. And this is my way to accumulate crypto without, having a source of income uh, really coming from anywhere else at the moment since everything is shut down. So just going to do some analysis on this. I believe that ARK is in some sort of channel. We had this bubble that popped around $12, and we made our way all the way down to around 8 cents, or I believe that's around 6 cents actually. Yeah, we made it as low as around 6 cents. So if you got in at 6 cents, you've already almost tripled your money from the bottom. And yeah, we're heading towards that resistance over here. I actually made this analysis a few days ago, and we've bounced up nicely since then. I haven't really been concerned about ARK. I haven't really been watching it that much. I just decided to do an analysis for anyone who's getting interested in ARK. I also don't think there's a lot of liquidity on ARK when it comes to buying it on exchanges, so it's not the easiest to purchase. You can buy ARK ETH, ARK BTC, but there's no ARK USDT. There's not that much trading going on with ARK, but I do expect this to do really well in the long term. These arrows that I have here are not exact estimates, but I'm going to show you guys some resistances and some supports that I expect us to hit and bounce from. So I expect us to find possibly some resistance on the top of the channel right here and to potentially come back a little bit before we break out. But let me just set up some of these boxes. So right over here, definitely some sort of strong resistance right around the $4 zone, $3.70 to $4. Also right over here, that area right over here on 95 cents. Right over here as well, in that area around 75 cents. And of course, right over here as well, around 28, 30 cents, something like that. This whole area right over here, there's strong resistance. So I see us getting above here and possibly finding support on that area, or just support on the trend line created by the channel, something like that, before we head to our next area, which could be here. We could just skyrocket past that and head here. Who really knows? I'm not exactly sure yet. Only time will tell once we get past those zones. But once we are on, once we do break out of the channel, that's where I will be really bullish for the long term of ARK, and that's why I'll be very confident in my weekly staking payouts. And final resistance obviously is right up here around the $10 to $12 zone. Once we get past there, we're probably going to head to much higher areas. It's really hard to say where exactly, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a $100 ARK once we get past those areas, because then we are just in price discovery mode, likely be in a very large recession at that point. Things will probably be pretty bad globally relating to the economy. So yeah, looking forward to seeing that for my own crypto portfolio. Unfortunately, that'll be pretty bad for everything else going on in the global economy. Sucks for everyone else, but there are obviously opportunities in the crypto space where we can make money off of what's going to happen. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this analysis, make sure to check out my Telegram chat. The link is down below. Make sure to give this video a like and give me a subscribe. That way you guys never miss out on such analysis. And make sure to follow me on Twitter as well, because I post a lot there. Links are all down below. And if you guys want to purchase ARK with a trading discount, I have links for that down below as well. Take care, guys.